time for a Thursday night ride. Finally got the big girl ready to rock and roll. Her name is Maria. It's been a long time since we've been out, so I'm really happy to have her back out. Brand new clutch from Henson, and changed the oil really. Carburetor was fine. I had already drained it, so when I turned the gas on, it fired right up. This is also the first ride shot with the brand new GoPro Hero 9 Black. I only have one battery for it, so I may switch part way, but let me know in the comments what you think about the Hero Black. We're shooting in 5K, 24 frames per second, and we are in the wide mode. Superview can't do 5K, so it's in just the wide, which I think is pretty good. We're leaving from the shop, like I'm leaving from the shop, meeting everybody else up there, and yeah, let's head to Peach Valley, guys. So close. There we go. Been so long. Such a big motorcycle. Oh, that is fun though. exciting on a 650. But the old girl, she'll do it. Yeah. Sometimes, but holy moly, what bike that'll do 80 miles an hour all day, win the Baja 1000, can also do this. This is freaking awesome. Oh, and doesn't cost $11,000, because I'm sure KTM 500 could do most of that, although they've never won the 1000. What do you guys think about this camera so far? Obviously I have no idea what it looks like or sounds like. Oh my gosh, this bike is so much fun to ride. It is an absolute handful, but I'm definitely getting a workout, which is awesome. Oh, yeah. XR650s, baby, XR650s. I think it's, doesn't look like there's any leaks. I think we're good. Dusty. So loose. I don't know that I've ever actually seen it this loose.
I almost aged on one of my fucking fronts. Dad, I was like, I'm straight down the hill into the fucking ditch. Oh, that is a soft thing. That was awesome. Oh my gosh, that was so much fun tonight. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this camera was awesome. I'm gonna find out here in a little bit. The XR is amazing. I can't wait to do the Rimrocker Trail. Make sure you subscribe, guys, because I'm riding that thing to Moab from Montrose off-road, doing the White Rim Trail and coming back. I'm gonna do a whole series of videos. Right on. I gotta go, guys. It's late. Gotta get home, have dinner, hang out with my family. You know what I'm gonna say. I hope you get out and spread the gospel of two wheels, and I desperately hope that what I'm doing here is inspiring you to get out and ride your dirt bikes!